When taking Vibegron, it's important to follow the instructions provided by your doctor or pharmacist. Typically, you'll take the medication once daily, either with or without food, as directed. If you have trouble swallowing the tablet, you can crush it and mix it with applesauce before taking it with water. The dosage of Vibegron is determined based on your medical condition and how you respond to the treatment. To get the most benefit from this medication, it's important to take it regularly at the same time each day. If you don't see an improvement in your condition or if it worsens, be sure to consult with your doctor. If you experience headache, nausea, or diarrhea, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember that the benefits of this medication outweigh the potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, if you are unable to empty your bladder or experience any serious allergic reactions such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, contact your doctor immediately. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Vibegron, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies, as this medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. It's also important to discuss your medical history, especially if you have bladder problems, kidney problems, or liver problems. If you're planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are currently using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, Vibegron should only be used when clearly needed, so it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also unclear whether this medication passes into breast milk, so consulting your doctor before breastfeeding is recommended. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking Vibegron 75 mg tablet. It's possible that the way your other medications work could be affected, or that your risk for serious side effects could increase. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without first getting approval from your doctor. If someone has taken too much Vibegron and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call 911 or your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can contact a provincial poison control center. This medication is used to treat symptoms of an overactive bladder, such as frequent or urgent urination. It helps to relax the bladder muscles, which can reduce the number of times you need to urinate. Vibegron belongs to a class of drugs known as beta-3 adrenergic agonists. It works by helping the bladder muscle to relax, which can help decrease symptoms of overactive bladder. The recommended dosage of Vibegron is 75 mg once daily. It is best to take this medication at the same time each day. It can be taken with or without food. Be sure to follow your doctor's instructions for the best results. Remember not to share this medication with others, as it is prescribed specifically for your condition. If you have any questions about the proper use of Vibegron, be sure to consult with your healthcare provider. If you forget to take a dose of Vibegron 75 mg tablet, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take your next dose at the regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to store Vibegron 75 mg tablet at room temperature, away from light and moisture. It's important to keep it out of the bathroom and out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposal, do not flush this medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed. Make sure to properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. If you need guidance on how to dispose of Vibegron 75 mg tablet, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.